If you want to quit drinking and start creating, watch this video, please. All right? That's for the smartphone users who get that preview, apparently. And this is just a shout out to someone whose comment I missed for almost a week. But first, your daily dose of cute. Here you go. There's Chance. It is early morning here in lovely scenic Paju City, South Korea. And there is Chance the bunny rabbit getting his buckwheat noodle, his morning treat. All right. Let's just cut to the chase here. If you have a problem with alcohol and you need something to help you get through the long, lonely, sleepless nights that go along with cessation, if you need something to help fill the void, I'm here to help to what extent I can. Whether or not you have any sort of background in music, this is something you can get into. It's a hobby that you can get into. Even if you just want to remaster your favorite songs. Something you can get into at no cost. Anyway, this is a shout out to, let me just get myself out of the way here. This is a shout out to let me see. Criddy Law 696. Sir, you left a lovely comment on a video that I posted about a week ago called Air Windows and the Art of Nonlinear Power, which was a whopping 2 hours, 57 minutes long. And this comment right here, okay, this is the kind of thing that keeps me going here at YouTube, because I haven't done my rant on the almighty malgorithm yet. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm working up to it. The almighty malgorithm it's not there to help people like me, people like us. If you're, it's not there to help. It's not a humanitarian. Let's just put it that way. So it's comments like this, and it frustrates me that this escaped my notice for 6 days. And the only reason I found it is I was looking through my YouTube studio and I saw comments that you may have missed. I check my notifications several times a day. And the only way that I missed this comment is that YouTube just didn't send me the notification. Full stop. End of story. But at least I found it. All right. And so, Criddy Law, I did. So there's no guarantee, sir, that you're going to get my answer. So I'm putting this up there, hoping that you'll notice it. so that you are aware that I did indeed read your comment, and I did respond. And so I'm going to read Criddy Law's This is exactly why I'm here. And even just to get one comment like this is enough to keep me going. Malgorism, almighty Malgorism, be damned. This is enough to keep me going right here. All right? So Criddy Lasser, I'm going to keep going. Here's what Criddy Law 696 had to say. Superb work, sir. I don't know how I stumbled upon your channel. I don't know either, but I'm glad you did. But I'm sure glad I did. All right. I am from Merseyside, UK, and at 58, I am a frustrated musician living with my 2 dogs. Alcohol has always been an issue too. I am inspired to try my music again, as I recently inherited 4 hand drums from my late friend Mark, who once had a couple of them in Antarctica. Antarctica, wow. I want to hear more about that. 20 odd years ago. So they have some character, I would think so, and would sound great in music such as yours. I would love to hear that, sir. I would jump at the opportunity, sir. I would be most honored. Chances give me affectionate little licky licks on my jeans. Yeah. He was left out on the veranda all night, and it's getting chilly, and he appreciates being in my lap right now. All right. Anyway, brilliant music, full of character and soul. Well, you're too kind, sir. This music is not for everyone. It's not everyone's cup of tea. I'm glad you found merit in it. Really. We'll keep my eyes on your stuff. Cheers. Okay. And this went 6 days without a response. Sorry about that, sir. Here's my reply. Thank you so much for your comment. It means a very great deal to me. It does, more than you can possibly know. And I'm sorry it escaped my notice until just now. By the sound of it, you are just the sort of person I'm trying to reach. If you want if you want to chat in more detail, please consider sending me an email at slow.light.productions@gmail.com. I am sorry to hear of the loss of your friend. You can put those drums to good use in his memory. Maybe we can work out a collaboration of some kind. Please stay in touch and never give up on yourself. Booze doesn't have to get the upper hand. I am here to help if I can. Stay in touch. Safe. Okay. All right. So, this little guy right here, man. See, I neglected him last night. Normally, he comes into my room for the night, but I had a really horrible day yesterday. The affliction of alcoholism is not magically lifted once you've succeeded in cutting the consumption of booze out of your life. Now he's nibbling my shirt. No. It's I had a really horrible day yesterday. I'm still having issues with just... I can't find balance with my dopamine and my serotonin and neurotransmitters, and I'm either sleeping too much or not sleeping enough, and I eat too much chocolate, and that means too much sugar, and I just got fed up. And even though I had slept too much yesterday, which annoyed me to no end, I threw up my hands. I threw up my hands. I tossed my hands in the air, figuratively, and I flung myself onto my bed. No, I didn't. I went back to bed, and I thought I would probably, that was around 6:37 p.m., and I thought I was going to, I thought I was going to get up by like 2 o'clock in the morning, probably, and then have those quiet hours to work with. But no, I slept all the way through until like 6:30. And poor Chancey was out there on the veranda. And rabbits are way smarter and more sensitive than you would think. I opened the veranda door and he gave me this look. Yeah. So I got to make it up to him. That's what I'm doing right now. He's enjoying this lap time. Normally he doesn't like more than 3 or 4 minutes on the lap, but he's digging this right now. So, all right, sir. I'm not going to meander and make this a long one. Criddy law. If you're still out there, still paying attention, please reach out through the email and let me hear those drums. All right, I'm working on a new song that is just unabashedly Waitian. Tom Waits, Ian Waitsian. And I'm just working with a stupid caveman drum loop that I came up with, which is fine. But I do plan to put some samples of actual real world things, drums and other percussed objects in there. Maybe we can work together on it. And it's a lonely, even when you have people around you who otherwise ostensibly care about you, it can be a real lonely road. So, this is why I'm reaching out. Okay, for me, hopefully it's not just a one-way thing. I want to connect with other people exactly as you describe yourself. So please get in touch, and I hope to hear from you soon. Okay, so that's enough for now. And it's morning here, and I'm off to hunt more audio samples in the field. I'm going to go out to the countryside, try to find a slag heap somewhere, some pile of derelict, disused stuff that I can bash on. I'm hoping to find some glass that I can break. I've always had a dream of recording an album in a junkyard. All percussion junk. So I'm going to get on with it, and then I'll be back later. I'll be back with an update on the remastering of my old album. That's going to merit an update pretty soon. So, yeah, enough of that for now. There's little Chancy boy. Say goodbye. And back again soon. From lovely, scenic Paju City, South Korea. Over and out. Let's see, where's the stop button? It was covered up with a notification. Okay. Laters.